Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this tablet. So there is two ways of going about it. So the first one, which I will show you, is just the power key and a volume down. So this can be done on virtually any application, with some limitations to some pages like login pages and some apps that just tell you you can't capture a screenshot in here, which I strongly believe should not be legal. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna open up settings as an example for this. So once you have your content open, press power key, volume down at the same time. Just a simple click. And as you can see, it gives you this overlay at the bottom. We have the image. We did have a couple options that we could have done here. So we have crop, tag, share. And it's one way. Additionally, if you have some content that can be scrolled up and down, kind of like this, though on an entire page. So good example of that would be a web browser, wherever that is. Gallery, no. There we go. No, I actually don't want to add account. No thanks. Oh, fantastic. Anyway, you get the point. If you have scrollable content on an entire page, when you start capturing a screenshot with the keys, so power key and volume down, it will add you another option for a scrollable screenshot, where it just kind of like scrolls down and captures a longer version of that screenshot. So it captures everything that is visible right here, plus everything that is below. So that's one way of going about it. Now, the second way is using the pen. And I know it's barely visible, but right here I have this, when I hover over it, it lights up. I have the little pen icon on the screen. When you click on it, it brings up this overlay. Now, obviously for you, this little icon could be somewhere else, just because you can move it around, as you can see. So right now, where is it? The light is reflecting in the wrong way. Oh, there we go. You can move it to the other side as well. So anyway, wherever you have it, you can press on it. And from here we have the Smart Select option. When you tap on it, it gives you three different ways of smart selecting. So we have the first one, which is just a box, allows you to scroll, across and create a box basically of whatever you have selected. So as an example, if I want to select this area, just gonna kind of go, whoop, there we go, let go, and it only selects that specific area. From here, I would press this button to save it. Now, another way of doing it was a free select, which I find very interesting. So again, going back here is this one. So this allows you to literally select an area by drawing around it. So that's one, and then we have just a circle. So you can obviously create a circle, oval, and so on. Not as interesting. So I'm gonna stick with this one, free select, and I just select this tiny little icon right here. Almost perfect. I'm so proud of this amazing select. See if I can actually nope, I can't really tune it. So once you have selected it and let go, that's basically it. And again, click right here to save it. So both of those images that I have, or like four of them that I have captured, can be found in our gallery application. It will be visible right here in the entire gallery with all the photos, or additionally, you can tap right here on the three bars and navigate to albums, where your device created a screenshot album. And in here, obviously, you will find your screenshots. So there's the amazing free selected one. Then we have the cropped, just a portion of apps, and the two ones that I captured of the settings. So anyway, that is how you could capture screenshots on this tablet. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.